So we'll look through this question. This is question number 2 from the CSE, my paper, like CSE 2022. And it talks about why did the armies of the British East India Company, mostly comprising of Indian soldiers, win consistently against the more numerous and better equipped armies of then Indian rulers? Give reasons. So here the keyword is why. They want you to give detailed information about why, and this is a very simple question I would say, because ये स्पेक्ट्रम में क्लियरली दिया हुआ है कि ब्रिटिश इंडियन आर्मी बेटर क्यों थी देन द इंडियन आर्मी. आई रिमेंबर इट इज इन द बिगिनिंग चैप्टर्स ओनली वेयर दे हैव मेंशन्ड व्हाई इंडिया वाज लूजिंग वॉर्स, समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड उधर से ही आपको वो इन्फॉर्मेशन यहाँ लिखनी है. इसका स्ट्रक्चर बहुत सिंपल होगा. वी कैन ड्रॉ हियर ओनली why did the armies, so introduction could be simple ki India lost in XYZ wars consistently, and it is said that if even though after having numerous soldiers, Britishers, due to their better governed military, were better performing in the wars, and they were winning all the wars, because of which they could win over India as a country also. So here this could be your introduction, and then you will directly give reasons. This only I will put as heading, why did the armies of British East India Company win? Like this will become my one heading. Why were the British okay? And then I will, because this is a 10 marker question and the question wants you to directly target the thing, I will put around 7 to 8 points telling this why. So these points could be probably, better leadership. हमें बताया गया है कि जैसे इंडिया के पास बहुत कम लीडर्स थे, बट वहां पर देवर वर वेरी एफिशिएंट जनरल्स, लाइक रॉबर्ट क्लाइव बहुत अच्छे थे, एंड कॉर्नवालिस, ऑल ऑफ दीज वर लीडिंग थ्रू स्ट्रैटेजीज वेरी वेल. बेटर लीडरशिप, बेटर आर्म्स एंड एम्यूनेशन. Then there are 7-8 points given in spectrum. डिसिप्लिन ज्यादा थी, ब्रिटिशर्स ने डिवाइड एंड रूल पॉलिसी फॉलो करी. Now here for everything you will give an example. Better army, you have to give an example. Better leadership, you have to give an example. अगर डिवाइड एंड पॉलिसी रूल करी तो आपको बताना है, जैसे कि मराठास वर्सेस निजाम्स, ये सब आपको एग्जाम्पल्स लिखना है यहाँ पर. So these will be your points 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be your value addition in the end? In the end, probably you will mention how even though Britishers were far more equipped, some rulers like Tipu Sultan or some kingdoms gave a very tough competition to British rulers. झांसी की रानी का आप मेंशन कर सकते हो, आप टीपू सुल्तान का मेंशन कर सकते हो, and you will tell that eventually these warriors. So this will be your conclusion. Now I am moving towards conclusion for this question. सो यहाँ पर जब आपने पूरा रीजंस दे दिया, फिर आप बताओगे कि नहीं कुछ लीडर्स थे हमारे जो अच्छे थे, जैसे कि टीपू सुल्तान, झांसी की रानी, एंड यू विल कंक्लूड बाय सेइंग दैट इवन दो वी लॉस्ट इन दीज वॉर्स, ultimately due to better strategy and the non-violent approach or the Gandhian approach, we were able to achieve independence. Or you could also mention how the Indian armies, like the Indian National Army, which was developed by Subhash Chandra Bose, have won tremendous wars, and though if it would have been sooner, India could have gotten independence earlier. So this way you could frame a conclusion also for the same thing.